Every 2 seconds, somebody is in need of blood. So, to help students become more involved in donating, FCCLA, a club that involves students of Butler County High School, hosts a biannual blood drive, hoping to get the word out and have more people participate. The average adult has 10 pints of blood. Just donating 1 pint with the American Red Cross is time efficient, non-invasive, and can save up to 3 people's lives.
Blood drive wasn't really how I expected it to be because it went a lot smoother. I thought it was going to be really scary.
Shortages in all blood supplies usually occur during the summer and winter holidays, a time when most people are traveling. With the holidays coming up, it's important that if you're able to donate, you do.
Well, this is actually the 2nd year that FCCLA has sponsored the blood drive. The American Red Cross contacted us and asked if we would be willing to sponsor the blood drive. And most of our students have been really excited about it. I've given blood, so we thought it was important. Well, we make sure that we're talking to the students who are giving blood. The medical staff is really good at making sure the students are okay. If any student is feeling lightheaded or queasy, we make sure we have drinks quickly for them. If we have a student that seems like maybe they're going to pass out or something like that, we make sure that there's a cot available. They can lay down, they can rest. When they're finished giving blood, we have a mat that they sit on just to rest for a few minutes to make sure they feel okay before they go back to class. I encourage people to give blood. You know, it really does save lives. I believe for every donation you make, it can save 3 lives. And that's a big deal. You never know when you're going to be in the position where you might need blood. You or a family member might need blood. So this is something that it's simple, it's easy, and most people can do it.
For BCTV News, I'm Allie Willoughby.